everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach days of weeks in French. Are you ready? Okay. Monday, lundi. Tuesday, mardi. Wednesday, mercredi. Thursday, jeudi. Friday, vendredi. Saturday, samedi. Sunday, dimanche. Now repeat after me. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Hope you had fun learning days of weeks in French with me. Bye! And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.